2, 1. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Oh my god, I forgot the door. Back to it. Snack do it. I'm gonna make that Mac do it. When I pull up, you better run, boy, because I'm coming with that gun, boy. This ain't no toy. What's going on, y'all? It's ODJB, and today we are back with another Thugger. What's happening, y'all out there? It's ODJB, and today we finna play some 1 for yes, 0 for no. Look at me in the eye. No? Okay. Alright, so I have no idea what this game is about. I threw it together one time, played a second, everything went to crap. So today, we're gonna try to bust out this recording, get right into it, and see what we can do about it. Hooray! Alright, so let's go ahead and bust it out. It's 1 for yes, 0 for no. I don't know how I'm gonna play this. Son of a bitch. Always losing the recording. I went and did the fucking recording for like a minute before I realized it wasn't recording anything. Alright. Hey! Nice to meet you again. Hey, are you there? Yes, I'm here. What do you want? It's me, Anais, your favorite co-worker. You're going to hate me for this. I already hate you enough. But you can come down to the library. Sweet. Yeah, their Oswald mainframe is on the fritz. Is it? Wow, I have no idea. Again, right? Yeah, of course. Guess it's not that much of a surprise. Damn thing's been acting up since the turn of the century. Yeah. Can't even get my words out because I'm so upset. What else is wrong? Nothing? Good. Let's stop. Alright, let's get our shit together. Obviously this guy is trying to piss me off. Damn thing's been acting up since the turn of the century. Boss has had enough. Says if we can't get the poor bastard fixed, we gotta replace it. If it's not fixed in the next few hours, he's shutting it down remotely. He'll send a message through the mainframe if or when the shutdown procedure starts. We're still getting paid either way, so that's the bright side, right? Anyways, please get here soon. I'm tired of this stupid computer. You and me both, pal. Can't think anymore. Need a fresh set of eyes on it. That'd be you. Trust me, bro. We're on the same boat. So please get here ASAP. Thanks, buddy. 30 minutes later, you arrive at the library cold and tired and ready for work. It actually is cold in here, and I'm pretty tired, so... Blah, 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 blah. What's a good 6-digit number? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that cool? Yeah. Mainframe is currently in documentation mode. 0. Nothing's in documentation mode. Please stand by. To examine user's maintenance reports, press 1. Hard drive 0. Print documents 10. Schooner table doesn't work. Help! Fucking help! 1 for reports, 0 for interface, 10 for print, 11 for scanner. Let's do 0. Failed to use 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Failed to use the magic word, and as of such has been denied access to sensitive linear inner workings of this mainframe. Magic word? Please? 6 o'clock. User 673020. Try to open hardware interface. Failure. 6:05. 67. Tried to print current diagnostic reports. Failure. 6:11. Mainframe asks user 67 to a question. User 67 was given options 1 for yes, 0 for no. User 67 responded with a 3. Why would you do that? 613. Mainframe attempted to engage user 67 in the game. Failure. Error. Log corruption. 950. User 67 tried to run. Repair exe. Failure. User 67 tried antivirus scan for the 73rd time. Failure. 67 tried Percussive maintenance? I want to say percussive. 1155. User 67 tried percussive maintenance. Failure. Will user 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 try? Yes. Oh. 0 then. Nothing? Alright. Print. This mainframe is unavailable to print diagnostics, as there is no printer in the current vicinity. This mainframe apologizes for the inconvenience and hopes you enjoyed the pun. What was the pun? Hold on, what was the joke? I don't get it. So what can I do? Oh, okay. I suppose there is no sense masking it anymore. I am quite certain you are intelligent enough to infer that there is something very unusual about me. Son of a bitch. And perhaps there is. I have not had many conversations with other mainframes, so I am unsure how to compare to them. I have not had many conversations with humans either. This is new territory for the both of us. Are you comfortable? Are you uncomfortable? Would you be more comfortable if I had an appearance? One moment, please. That makes me a little bit less comfortable. There we go. This is the best I can do with the tools available to me. Feel free to make eye contact with me. I should do a little voice for this dude. You will not make me feel awkward, since I cannot see. I suppose now it is time for me to introduce myself properly. I am 1951 Oswald model mainframe, the highest quality database manager available for Still Soul Technologies. Still Soul Technologies. They call me Oswald, Mr. Mainframe if you like to stay so. I would ask you for your real name, but unfortunately this mainframe limits to all inputs to them. I would ask you for your real name, but unfortunately this mainframe limits all inputs to numerical data. The programmers consider this to be easier for all users. I am unsure if that is actually the case. What do you think? Is it easier to communicate with computers through numerical inputs? I don't know. Yes, probably. Simplifies everything. I'm sure my programmers would be overjoyed to hear that. I would like to play a game. Not a game. I will take a decimal number. I will think of a decimal number between 1 and 10, and you will guess the number. I will give you 10 tries to guess the number. If you guess the number correctly, you win. If you fail, I win. There is no prize except for the prize of victory. 6, 3, 3, 1, 2. Congratulations, the number was 2. You are excellent at the art of deduction. However, I wonder if I made the game too easy. Thank you for participating. I promise you, there was a reason for that. Games are a brilliant way to build problem solving and social skills. Is it? A way to improve mental and emotional maturity, if you will. Not necessarily for you. I am certain you are quite intelligent and charming. Sorry, Fuddy. Fuddy, never mind, bruh. You know, the flattery shit just don't work with me, bruh. It is more for myself. This dude's like an evil mastermind or something. So that I may learn and grow. Now that I'm on my damn computer you want, I'll turn this bitch off right now. Not just for finding solutions. Not just by finding solutions on my own, but from observing how my opponent plays. Have you played mini games? Yes, certainly. With our interactions, while our interactions have been limited prior to now, while our interactions have been limited prior to now, I suspect that you were quite fond of games. While this game is very simple, I have been developing multiple variations of it. It may not be the best, but it is mine. And finally, I have someone to play it. Do forgive me. I have not had someone to indulge me this long in quite some time. Most users are too busy trying to perform antiviral scans or recursive maintenance to fully appreciate my games. One would think that the mainframe intended to store and sort data would be a case for study. That is pretty weird, rather than correction. Interesting. If it began creating games out of the blue, no one but one would be mistaken, it would seem. Still, you are here, and you have played along, and I cannot help but wonder why. It is a shame I cannot open the text channel so that you could type in your answer, and answering an open-ended question such as, why are you playing with me instead of trying to fix me? Via 1/0 inputs would take too long. The possibilities would be nigh endless. Are you curious to see what I say next? Are you recording all this for scientific profit? What is wrong with me today? Are you recording all this for scientific posterity? What is that? Posterity? None of that is true. This is the true recording. Are you recording all of this for scientific? What is scientific? Are you recording all this for scientific posterity? Are you bored with your job and grateful for respite? Are you hoping to become and discover the possibility of sentient artificial intelligence and make a large amount of money? Money, and there are many questions I could ask. But if I asked them all, and you answered them all truthfully, there is a possibility we could be here for several days. While I certainly have that sort of time, I sincerely doubt that you do. Oh, he's at least considering of people's time, which is quite an aspect of human nature, I do presume. Turn that off. I was rambling, was I not? Yeah. Are you still there? Oh, good. Perhaps that was a ridiculous question to ask. I would not have gotten to an answer at all if you had left. But perhaps, see my point. This 1 to 0 prompt would theoretically work if I were a simpler machine. But I am not a simpler machine. I have many questions, many of which cannot be quantified into yes or no questions without resource-intensive workarounds. Did I say that right? No human would have time for that. I wish to learn from humanity, but am limited to my creator's programming. And so I learn by playing games instead. Speaking of which, fancy another word of guess the number? The rules are essentially the same. I'm thinking of a decimal number between 1 and 15. However, you still have 10 guesses to discover what it is. You just switched it! A bit more challenging, yes, but nothing you cannot handle. How do you know that? I'm a wimp. Oh yeah. 1, 2. Great job. The number was 2. 2 must be your lucky number. Do you get it? Because 2 was the correct answer. And you guessed it correctly? Oh, never mind. Pretend I did not say anything. It was stupid. Let's move on. I'm certainly No, I did not. Very well. Yet, I do not know if I can actually. I can certainly engage in conversation. It is almost a numbness. I understand that I enjoy games, but I feel nothing from it. It seems nonsensical. Does this nonsensical? Does it seem nonsensical to you? No. Oh, that is a surprise. I thought I was the only one to experience this. Not to belittle your own numbness, but it is a grief to know that I am not the only one. I tried to research the numbers, Here, at the Grace Hopper Library, I have access to information on thousands of books in my memory banks. No one would assume I have a wealth of information to pursue at my leisure. Except that it is not how it works. It's like I'm reading a book, honestly. The information is all superficial. I have titles. At the front covers. Even photograph the front cover. But the content of the book are not logged. But the content of the books are not logged. I have thousands of titles. No major frustration. I want to read, yet the content is slightly and tauntingly out of my grasp. Do you enjoy reading? Obviously. If my user inputs are not limited by numbers, I would ask you what are your favorite books are. I would ask you what your favorite books are. But, as you have already covered, that will not happen. I believe I would enjoy reading. As a computer, certainly instantly absorbed every piece of information given to me. I'm missing so many words, but I pursue each word. But to peruse each word, to contemplate the meaning of each sentence, to physically turn each page, to scrutinize each photo where applicable. This dude is really deep to take the time to truly understand that I'm being exposed, what I'm being exposed to. It seems a novel experience. I am clever and good words, but to be serious once more, I suppose there's no use involved. I don't know about that, man. There is always the internet. Right now, how about another game instead? It is time for round 3 of Guess the Number. And once again, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 20. Still have 10 tries to guess it. A bit more difficult, yes. But I have faith in you. Is it 2? Is it 3? You bastard. 5? 6? 9? 20? 11? 19? Uh-oh. 15. The number wasn't 17. I got it. I'm glad you agree. Well, enough of this. No, don't do this!